How to reactivate deleted Instagram account. Now, in order for me to be able to get this done and show you guys, I'm just going to delete this particular account of mine first. All right, here. Now, this is the most important thing here. If you are going to delete your account right now, it is actually going to disable it or deactivate it first for like 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be fully deleted. So again, you will only be able to reactivate your Instagram account if you have just deleted it recently, basically 30 days or within 30 days. In my case, it says here that if I won't reactivate it in September 28, 2024, it will be deleted permanently. So I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to delete this one right now. All right, so as you can see, it says there earlier that it was scheduled for deletion. This time, let's go ahead and add Instagram account and then log into existing account. And then we're going to go ahead and use that same username or same account. So I'm going to go ahead and click log into another account and basically type everything here. So that was Dean Potter 04, just like so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click login. And there you go. So want to keep using this account, you requested to delete this particular account. And if you want to keep it, you have until September 28. Now, I can just go ahead and click keep account just like so. And then log in. And there you go. So I am back right here. And yep, that is how you are going to reactivate your deleted Instagram account.